when it comes to no content and low content books, the handwriting practice niche is one of the most popular and profitable niches. So if you search for it on Amazon, you can see that it has 4,000 results, which is kind of a lot of competition. However, we can dig in to find many niches that have 229 or 251 results and so on. So this niche handwriting practice book, as you can see, is always trendy at some season of the year. However, there are still some good search over the year. So as you can see, there are always peaks on October, here also on October, around October and September, because this time when school starts. So this is in the United Kingdom. Let me change it to the worldwide, and as you can see, it's similar results on September, huge peak. So you can, for example, run ads on September or October to maximize the sales. And by the way, good news that you can get free interiors from my Gumroad shop for free. Just click the link down below and you'll get a handwriting interior in different formats that you can adjust it to your own style. So let's see, for example, this sub niche, unicorn handwriting workbook. It has only 229 results, which is crazy. This is so low results, and the rankings on the other hand are so low as well, which is not usual. So only 49,000 results, here 103 results, and here 126,000 results. So as you can see, 3 books that have rankings less than 300,000 and the results are less than 1,000 results. So this is a perfect niche. You can go for it. The interiors that you are going to create is not too hard to create. So the interior, the basic interior, which is the lines I have already gave you, you will find it on the link for free, and then you just add maybe some graphics, the letters with arrows and numbers, which is pretty easy, and you can create it for free actually. Or if you want to speed up your process, you can use, for example, Creative Fabrica and search for anything that you want. So let's say, for example, you are looking for unicorn graphics. You can search for unicorn. It will give you unicorn patterns, unicorn graphics, fonts, and so on. So more than 30,000 results only about unicorn. Or you can use Vigteasy, which has some free version, not a free version, free limit, so you can get up to 50 sales, I guess. Check the license yourself. So let's say unicorn, and as you can see, there are some good vectors that you can use, convert them to black and white, and use them in your interior. So by uploading my free interiors, handwriting free interiors from Gumroad, you can go, for example, to Canva, and let's see, for example, this book has dimension of 8 by 10 inches. So let's go for this one, 8.5 by 11 inches, and you can upload my interior and then adjust it, add some graphics, unicorn, and so on, so it gets themed with a unicorn theme. And as I told you, you can use Vigteasy, Creative Fabrica, and other tools to speed up your process. Another sub niche that is really good and really profitable, and you can even get organic sales from this sub niche, which is Dinosaur's handwriting workbook. It only has 251 results, and as you can see, the rankings 244,000, 399, 47,000, 283, 341, 156. So more than 3 books with 300,000 rankings or less. So dinosaurs also, you can search for them on Creative Fabrica, on Vigteasy. You can even use Bookball to help you with all of this creation journey. And here, this interior I have created it with you in the last video, I think. So the handwriting practice book has a potential huge amount of sales that you can target, because the rankings, as you can see, are crazy. So 923, 567. So for example, this one 567. If we go to the BS R to sales calculator, you can see that it is getting 3,200 sales every single month, and which translate to almost, with this price, almost $3,000, which is, I think, a full-time income only from this book. And imagine that you have this book and this book with this crazy ranking 131. So if we type this one, 131, you can see it making 8,000 results. Sorry, 8,000 sales every single month, which is crazy. And when I'm showing these numbers, I'm not telling you that, oh yo, bro, when you make a book about this niche like this one, you will get 8,000 sales every single month. Hell no, of course no. If it was like as easy as this, everyone would get rich very quickly. However, it's not like this. It's a competition. So you should spot the right place, the right sub-niche in the right time with the right interiors and right keywords to maximize your chances of getting sales. No one guarantee that, oh, this book will get a lot of sales. No one knows that, because it's the algorithms, it's people preferences. So you should balance between the quality of your books and the quantity. So you should create good amount of high quality books, not only one and you say, oh Mujahid didn't get sales, I have uploaded one with high quality interiors, high quality cover design, and I didn't get any sales. What's wrong with this business? No, you should create the first book, the second book, improve your skills with creation and designing, and we are all learning with each other. So learn from your mistakes, learn from others' mistakes, and upload good number of high quality books before you expecting sales. So this business is for the long term. It's not for easy money in one night, of course no. So be patient, keep the hard work, and work smart. And if you are looking for the top KDP niches for 2023, check this video right here.